So, to elaborate more on the other method for calculations in the gas absorption is the graphical method. So, back in our 152 days, who could forget the McCabe-Thiele method? So, McCabe-Thiele method is for analyzing binary absorption and stripping problems. So, in figure 1, this is a schematic diagram of absorption. So, by the way, stripping is the opposite process of absorption. And absorption is more commonly known as scrubbing. So, yung opposite na stripping. So, yeah, the case of mutually insoluble Fourier streams is usually considered first with the problem set out as illustrated in figure 1. So, yung V and L, mole and mass flow rates of the vapor and liquid, tapos yung A and B, top and bottom of the column, X and Y, yung mole and mass fractions. To calculate for the operating line, it is obtained by performing a material balance around stages 1 to N of the column. So, na-discuss na rin naman kanina, i-emphasize ko lang yung dalawang case to compute for the operating line. So, yung formula, y is equal to L over B times X plus YABA minus XALA over B. So, kasi yung graphical method, tedious siya, di ba? Tsaka, kapag inisa-isa ko pa sa inyo lahat ng equation, baka lalo kayong mabore. So, parang sasabihin ko lang yung highlights, tsaka yung significance niya. So, yung graphical method, maganda siya para malaman natin kung anong case yung nababagay to obtain the minimum number of stages. So, there are two cases. So, in general, the operating line is a curved line. Although, for the first case, which is the lean phase systems, so what is a lean phase system? It is where the concentration of the soluble component is always less than 10%. So the magnitude of the flow stream L and B are constant. So the operating line can be approximated as a straight line. And after obtaining the operating line, it is necessary to determine the theoretical minimum liquid flow rate, LA min, required in order to achieve a desired separation. So, yeah. For the lean phase, in general, this is a curved line. Ayun siya. So, ito, yung letter A, yung lean phase, bali, since constant lang yung L and B, flow rate ng liquid and ng vapor, so yung operating line, ito, straight lang siya. Pero, yung another case, yung rich phase case, so yung B and C, wherein so in rich phase, so sa B, sa rich phase, you can see that the operating line concave down. Concave down, and yung sa letter C, that is the case for stripping. So, we will not discuss that. Looking at letter B, in the rich phase, the operating line is concave up. This is because we will first determine the moles of solute per mole ng inert. So, in this case, the operating line is concave up, which touches the equilibrium line, yung straight line. So, ang pinaka-objective dyan, para ma-determine mo yung end ng equilibrium line, dapat magta-touch siya dun sa, yung end ng operating line ng curve, dapat magta-touch siya dun sa equilibrium line, yung straight. Ayun. Pag na-hit niya na yun, recalling our 152 days, yung pagkuha ng number of stages, yung ganito-ganito. This is the equilibrium line. And for rich phase, the usual appearance of the curve is like this. So when the equilibrium line touches when the operating line touches the equilibrium line, then that's the end of the process, and then you will find XA, Naalala niyo naman, di ba? 1,500. So, parang bago lang, yung itsura ng equilibrium line natin. Tapos yung number of stages, yung pag may given tayo dito na x naught, y naught, so dito mag-start, tapos yung ganito. Ay, ganyan. Ayan. So, sa graphical method, ganun yung pagkuha ng number of stages. Yung sa'yo na.
Okay, guys, isin pa ba? Hindi ba? Okay guys, mali yung problem ko about DSM. Yun yung discuss ni Aaron kanina na diffusing through stagnant medium. Mali. Fates, pakibasa naman na ng problem. Thank you.
The solute A is being absorbed by the gas mixture of A and B in a wetted wall tower with the liquid flowing as a film downward along the wall. At a certain point in the tower, the bulk concentration YAG is equal to 0.1. The tower is operating at 298 kelvins and 100,325 kilopascals, and the equilibrium data are as follows. The solute A diffuses through stagnant B in the gas phase and then through a non-diffusing liquid. Using correlations for dilute solutions in wetted wall towers, the film mass transfer coefficient for A in the gas phase is predicted as K1 is equal to 1.465 times 10 to the minus 3 kilograms mole A over SM squared mole fraction. And for the liquid phase, calculate the interface concentrations.
Yeah. Okay. Ito, given yung point P, di ba given tayo kanina ng values for YAG at saka for YAL. Yan yung gagamitin mo para ma-plot mo yung P. Yan. So, i-assume mo muna na 1 yung values nitong dalawa. Sila kasi yung gagamitin mo para makuha mo yung slope ng dito, ng line na to. Bale, ito. So dito, kita nyo naman, i-assume na, di ba given sa'yo kanina yung values na kx at ky. Bale, ito yung kx, ky, then in-assume na itong y1a, 1 minus ya, yung mga values na to, in-assume na 1. So, yan yung nakuhang slope. So, slope. Tapos, gamit yung slope na yun, pinlat siya, tapos, nung pinlat siya, nag-intersect siya dito sa equilibrium line. Yung equilibrium line, magagamit, paano mo siya magagawa? Di ba given ka ng values kanina? Ito yung values na gagamitin mo para makapag-produce ka ng equilibrium line. So, di ba nakuha nyo na yung values, di ba na-plot na yung slope, di ba? So, may makuha kang values for y and x. Yan, na-plot na siya. Makuha mo yung values na yan. Ito, gagamitin mo para makakuha ka ulit ng bagong slope. Yan. Makuha ng bagong slope. Tapos yun, ipa-plot mo ulit. Parang yung kanina lang. So, yan, makakuha ulit ka ng bagong values ng 1 minus, yan. Yung values na yan, yan. So, nakuha mo ito na, kung titingnan nyo, medyo malapit na siya dito. So, value na yan. Yan. So, dahil medyo halos pareho lang naman sila, so gamitin natin yung mga values na to. Sila na gamitin na yung final values. After doon, pwede natin kumpitin yung flux niya. Yung flux. Given na yung, discuss na rin kanina yung equation ng flux, di ba? So, ito yung gagawin mo. And by substitution lang, direct substitution, makuha mo na yung flux mo.